How to add two Robinhood accounts. If you want to add another Robinhood account, then follow these instructions. First, remember that Robinhood does not officially allow users to have two accounts under the same identity. Each person can have only one Robinhood account linked to their SSN number. However, if you need to manage multiple accounts for different purposes, here are a few possible workarounds. First option is that you can use different email and different phone number. You can create a second Robinhood account using a different email address and phone number. You will also need another SSN number, so you can use your family member's name if allowed. Now, another option is to use Robinhood and Robinhood Wallet separately. If you already have a Robinhood brokerage account, you can set up a Robinhood Wallet separately. While these are linked, they function somewhat independently, allowing you to manage crypto separately from your stocks. Now, another option is that switch between two accounts on one device. If you have two legitimate accounts, here's how you can switch between them. Log out of your current Robinhood account. Simply click on this icon on the bottom right corner. After that, you can see this three dotted line on the top left corner. Click on it, and here you can see this logout option. So log out of your current account and log in with your second account credentials. Use incognito mode or a second browser to stay logged in into both. So this is how you can add two accounts in Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.